Today we're going to be looking at this strategy here from the beautiful country of Montenegro. So let's get straight to it. Hi guys, I hope you're going extremely well. I'm on holiday in Montenegro, but I've still got a wonderful strategy for you. Look at this absolutely amazing view behind me. I'm currently in Montenegro on holiday, but I've still got a strategy on. So without further ado, let's get straight over to my computer. Okay, here I am on the computer on davidtech.com. Today we're going to be looking at this chart here, which was submitted by one of the David Tech members, Shibaku. Congratulations to him. This trading strategy is absolutely amazing and seems to be going very well. So if you scroll down and have a look at the equity curve here, this is the chart that I'm going to be looking at, and I'm going to try and improve the strategy by adding another indicator. As you can see, it was sent to us back on the 21st of May, and ever since it was sent to us, this strategy has been absolutely killing the market. A brilliant setup sent to us by Shibaku. As you can see, in June there was 112% profit, July was 80% profit. The back testing results look amazing, with a max drawdown of only 21% and a profit factor of 2.3. The current win rate at the moment is 67%, that's on live trading after the back test and optimization. And as you can see, the equity curve on live trading looks absolutely amazing as well. So I'm going to import this chart over to my trading view. I'm going to explain all of the indicators behind it, these settings, and then I'm going to add another indicator to see if we can get a little bit lower max drawdown, maybe a higher win rate, and maybe squeeze some more profit out of the market. Hopefully it won't be overfitting, but only time will tell. Right, so I've copied it over to Tradingview. Look at all these shorts in a row, wins in a row that it currently is making on live markets. As I said earlier, this is actually live trading since all the way back over here and is doing an absolutely amazing job of all of those shorts. Okay, let's have a look at the indicators behind this trading strategy. Now, I built this trading strategy upon my favorite indicators. Currently, we're on MTN USDT. Shibaku has sent us quite a few setups for lots of different altcoins. This is the one that we're talking about at the moment. But like I said, he sent us quite a few setups for different markets. Okay, now let's go over to the indicators. Let's have a look. These are my favorite indicators. I put them all into one strategy to see if it would work. The first being the T3. Now T3 gives us our trend direction. It is a moving average which puts a line below the candles when we're looking for long, and the line is above the candles when we're looking for shorts. So when price is above the green line, we're going to be taking longs, and when the line is red and we're trading below it, we're looking for shorts. The second indicator that we added was the Tradingview indicator, my absolute favorite indicator. Liked and downloaded 2,268 times, guys, and I absolutely love this indicator since I've been talking about it a lot on YouTube. So as you can see, the Tradingview looks very much like an RSI with Bollinger Bands. When price goes above this upper band, the indicator goes green and we take longs. When the Tradingview goes below the lower line, it goes red and we take shorts. Now this has been one of my most profitable indicators, second to none of the Wada Ata. So if you search for Wada Ata Explosion by Lazy Bear, it's this one just here. We're going to add that to our charts. Now very quickly guys, if you're looking for any of these indicators, I have all free and open source versions on the David Tech website. Just go up to the top here, free indicators, and you'll be able to find a list of all the indicators that I use in all of my strategies, like the Tradingview one here that's up the top. Getting back to the Wada Ata here, we're going to have to scroll out quite a bit as we're on a altcoin. As you can see, it looks very much like a flattened version of the MACD, and there is a reason behind that. It is that the algorithm is based on the MACD itself. If I click on the settings, we have a couple of settings here. What we're looking for is to go over to this area here and change the color of the explosion line. We're going to make it white for YouTube, just so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so with the Wada Ata indicator, all we're looking for is for the histogram to be green and breaking over that explosion line for us to be able to take a trade. Same goes for shorts. We're looking for the red histogram to cross above the white explosion line just here for us to be able to take shorts. So that in a nutshell is the strategy, the N3 Nexus, which has been one of the popular trading strategies on the David Tech community. And these are the backtesting results from the optimization that Shibuku did himself. As you can see, we have 3,851% net profit. We have 235 closed trades, a 62% win rate, which is amazing, and a profit factor of 2.2. The max drawdown is 23%, knowing that we're on 10x leverage. So yeah, it seems pretty amazing to me. And why would I want to optimize and try and make it better when that may overfit it? As an active member of David Tech, we all try to take each other's strategies and improve and make them better. I'm kind of lucky because I have the source code behind, so I'd like to try and add another indicator, which is one of my favorites, to try and see if we can make this a little bit more profitable, and more importantly, decrease the max drawdown and maybe increase slightly that win rate. Okay, so the indicator that I'm going to be adding is going to be the stiffness indicator by David Tech. As I said earlier, you can find it for free on davidtech.com if you want. So the stiffness indicator looks like this just here. We're going to go over to the settings and we're going to set our threshold to a very low 10. Now the reason being is it's already a very, very good strategy. So we don't want to filter out too many trades. We just want to filter out those really bad trades. I'm going to go over and we're going to actually leave everything else as it is on the chart. The threshold, we're just going to move to 10. So the stiffness indicator is pretty simple here. As you can see, when this yellow line is above the red line being the threshold, the yellow line being the stiffness indicator, we are only taking trades when that yellow line is above the red line. If it's below, we don't take shorts or longs, and when it's above, we can take either or. Okay, I have cherry-picked a trade for you guys just to show you how this would work and how to find a trade. As you can see, we have the T3 crossing over to green, so we can take longs. We have the Tradingview above that upper band in green, so we can take longs, and the wider utter would have only just crossed over on this candle here, meaning that we can take a long as well, and the stiffness is above our threshold, so we're going to set a long to the next candle open just there like that, and then we're going to go away and add the ATR bands by David Tech. This one just here. We're going to be setting our ATR bands to 3.25, giving us enough wiggle room for our stop loss. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to add our stop loss to that bottom band just there, keeping it nice and tight at 1.48%. And we're going to be setting our risk to reward to 3.5, which is absolutely awesome. Boom! That would have given us around 5.2% of a win and a perfect trade, which was perfectly cherry-picked by myself. Okay guys, I'm now going to go away and code this so that we can add the stiffness indicator to the mix, and I'll be back in a couple of seconds.
Come on David, and once again he's got to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on David, show us what you got.
Okay, the backtesting results are in, guys, but before we go straight over to the backtesting results, don't forget you'll be able to find all of the David Tech strategies, all of the backtesting results of all of the trading strategies sent to us by the wonderful community of David Tech. You'll be able to see all of these last 7 days trades, the last 30 days trades, and last 90 days trade. You'll be able to see how it's performing on live markets, on backtesting, and even better, you can click on the link here and see the equity curve of how it's actually performing on live markets and also on backtesting data. You can easily set these up on all of the exchanges on our website. Currently, Bybit are offering a 500 USDT per position airdrop, which gives you some funds to start trading with. All you have to do is open an account with the David Tech link you'll be able to find in the link down below. All you have to do is open up an account using the link that you'll find in the description below. Complete a simple task and you'll be able to claim a voucher for that 500 USDT position. Thanks very much to Bybit. Right, let's get over to those backtesting results. Okay guys, the backtesting results are in. Drum roll please. Boom! Right, okay. By adding the stiffness indicator, we've increased the net profit from 3,851 to an amazing 4,644. We've increased the win rate from 62% all the way up to 63.75%, which is amazing. Our profit factor has been increased all the way from 2.27%, which is already amazing, to an amazing profit factor of 3.04. Our max drawdown has been decreased from 21.3% all the way down to 15%, which is absolutely incredible. Looking back at the results, if you were to purchase MNT all the way back at the very beginning of this equity curve here, you would have still made an amazing 134%, but with this strategy we'll be up at 4,644%, which is amazing. Looking at this table here, as you can see, all of it's in green. It was already all in green thanks to Shibaku, who did an absolute amazing job of optimizing this strategy already. Okay, before I go, I have one last thing to do, and that is to make a millionaire in Bonk coin. I'm going to give away 1 million Bonk to a random comment on YouTube. I also thought I'd give away 1 million Bonk to Shibaku himself for this absolutely amazing setup. Thank you very much, Shibaku. We couldn't do it without you guys from the community. You're an amazing member. Thank you very much for everything that you've done. Okay, let's get over to YouTube and give away 1 million Bonk. We're going to be giving away 1 million Bonk to a random comment from this video here. There are 35 comments. Let's go. Guys, once a week I'm going to be giving away $500 to the most viewed clip of this video, or any video of David Tick from this week. Whoever has the most viewed TikTok or YouTube short using this video or the videos from this week, I will send you $500. This is every week and going to be going on throughout the whole of this month and probably for the foreseeable future. You can post as many times as you want. You must tag my TikTok or YouTube username, and you must add David Tick in the title and in the description. I look forward to seeing all your clips, and I look forward to seeing the winners. Let's go. Boom! Congratulations to you. You've just won 1 million Bonk. Okay guys, I'm going to get back to the beach and I will see you on Friday. Don't forget, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Friday. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.